If you like stunning free motion quilting designs that are easy to do and beginner friendly, you are very welcome to do the Deco Pyramids. As you have happened to know, here in our channel, you are welcome to subscribe. We are doing a series on border designs, and before that we did a
Pillow cover,
nine
patch, and
and some designs in which tutorials we explained that the straight line is the easier design, is the easier movement of free motion quilting that you can do. And the straight line designs are very overlooked because people think they are difficult, people don't know what to do with them. I don't know, but we love straight lines here. And today we are making another fun, easy, amazing, stunning design only with straight lines. So hop into your training board and let's get started.
Perfect. So here we are to do our Deco Pyramids, our beautiful design that we're going to put in this border. And of course, you can do in different sizes of borders as well. It's a very, how can I say?
Dynamic, versatile.
Design.
As long as you are comfortable on doing the straight line, you can do on whatever size of border you want.
So we're going to start with a straight line kind of parallel to this sewing.
You don't have to stitch on the ditch here. That is not the purpose. It's just close, but not on the ditch.
And then we're going to do a diagonal and then another diagonal. Yes, it is a triangle.
And it is a pyramid.
So pretty easy. And now we're going to do some echoes in here. So straight line on the horizontal, diagonal, diagonal, one more on the horizontal, and then one, cutting everything here to touch this side of the border.
So you enter from the base and you always go outside
through the top.
Like Santa. So
Great. So just repeat that, but
on the other side.
On the upside down. So straight line on the horizontal, then diagonal, horizontal, diagonal, horizontal. And now I'm going down because I'm always going to the top of the pyramid, even if it's upside down. And then continue doing that. That's why you can do it in several border widths, because depending on that, you do more or less echoes, and will be very, well fitting on any border width. So here, if you finish like a crazy thing, a weird space, you can option 1, do that, and that's it. It's over. Or you can do a very strange form here, like a squeeze triangle. Even got it kind of. So you can do that and finish that. Okay, so you're gonna to think, why can I do that over here? You can, but then you have to reverse the thinking, the path of the design,
and you have much control here because you're starting here, so you can make this diagonal very little. So you are left with a little space here, with a very less space, with a little amount of space, and you don't have to worry. But when you're finished, you are coming from this sequence, so it's harder to prevent this space to be larger.
So you can, knowing that, already do this, you can also do that. Already start with
a kind of wonky.
Then,
but I don't think it's necessary.
Just so you know what you can do. So practice on your quilting border or your sheet of paper if
Quilting board.
Board, yes. Yes, quilting board. I got all happy about this board and I did it wrong. So practice that as many times as you need, want, wish, because machine, you know, the moment you go to your machine is about having fun and not problems. So solve that here, like, you know, the wonky triangle and all that kind of stuff.
And let's hop into
To the machine.
We're here. Remember to lock your stitches before you start to quilting. So the first straight line is on the horizontal, parallel to the piecing border. You can see it's parallel-ish because this is free motion quilting. And then diagonal, the point of the pyramid, and then we go back. Do some echoes. It doesn't mean if it's wonky, it doesn't matter. And then we go to the top of the pyramid and start again. The base, the points, the echoes, and out through the roof. Base, point, 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 echoes, out.
And remember that you can stop and rearrange your hands at every corner, you know, every point.
Every single corner,
Yes.
every single point.
So it's
Yes.
a very, very, very beginners friendly design.
Yes. And then I will just go out here and lock my stitches. See what we've done together. Oh, here.
Deco Pyramids.
Ta-da!